Someone commented that my review on this Infinix HOT 70 skipped a lot of important details. So in this video, let's quickly cover the things that were missing. Starting with the design, the HOT 70 looks surprisingly premium for a budget phone. The camera model gives it a modern look, and although the frame is plastic, it feels solid in the hand. It is comfortable to hold and doesn't feel fragile. The Infinix HOT 70 features a 6.7-inch screen. Colors look good, videos are enjoyable to watch, and scrolling feels smooth for everyday use. I have no major complaints about the display quality. I also tested the phone outdoors under direct sunlight. The screen remains visible, although reflections can sometimes make it a little harder to see. Overall, it is usable for everyday outdoor use. Now let's talk about performance. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor. The RAM is 4GB RAM and surprisingly extendable to only 2GB RAM. I don't know why Infinix did that, with 128GB ROM. In real-world use, opening apps, switching between social media platforms, watching videos and browsing the internet all felt smooth. Most users shouldn't have any issues with daily tasks. The phone comes with 50MP back camera and 8MP front camera. So daylight photos come out looking decent with good colors and details. I recorded myself without light and the result came out pretty well. Surfing the internet and browsing YouTube also feels very smooth. Although I know that this depends largely on your internet provider, but YouTube videos play very smoothly, the sound is clean and it is enjoyable here. The phone can record video in 2K resolution, that is 2560 by 1440 pixels at 30 frames per second. It also has this 360 flashlight feature which Infinix always puts in their phones. This phone has this wonderful Infinix Folax AI with dedicated button by the side. It is the built-in smart assistant designed to make everyday tasks to be easier. You can use it to make calls, send messages, set alarms, summarize long text, open apps, and control phone settings with simple voice commands. Folax AI can extract text from images. So there's this feature on this Folax AI, just swipe up and you're able to circle anything on the screen, tap on it, and it searches that information for you. I feel that this is a very interesting feature. Yeah, so if there's any app that you are trying to understand how it is used or what it is used for, this would be a good way for you to search for it and find it out. These are new introductions to these phones that make using it feel sweet and smooth. The battery life is very solid. The phone comes with 6000 mAh battery capacity, and so the battery easily lasts throughout a typical day of calls, browsing, videos, and social media usage. So, should you buy the Infinix HOT 70? If you are looking for a budget phone with a nice design, good battery life, a decent display, and reliable everyday performance, it is worth considering. And to everyone who left feedback on my previous review, thank you. Thank you so much. Hopefully this follow-up answered some of the questions that were missing the first time around. Please do not forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.